Looking for Gmail accounts for your online business or digital workflow? Before you buy Gmail accounts, there are some important things you should know. Account security should always come first. Make sure you understand who controls the account, what recovery options are available, and whether the account can be securely managed. Always check account access, recovery information, password security, and two-step verification. Never share sensitive login information with untrusted sources. Be careful with sellers promising guaranteed verification, unlimited accounts, or instant approval. Avoid services connected with spam, phishing, fraud, or policy circumvention. So, before you buy Gmail accounts, prioritize security, legitimate use, and platform policies. Smart, secure, and responsible account management is always the better choice.